All right, guys, so we're back at the Civic. We're gonna put the coilovers on, and yeah, just prepping everything. So it should look pretty good. We're gonna try and get about probably like a few inch gap, probably like a 2 or 3 inch gap right here, just to get it looking, you know, proper, not slam, not lowered, but just a nice height. But yeah. All right, guys, so we finally got the lugs loosened. They haven't been loosened in a while, so yeah, I got my little seat right here. Okay. But yeah, gonna take off the other ones, and I think they have like lowering springs, and that's how it looks right there. All right, guys, so finally got the wheel off, and as you can see, it's a lowering spring. And you said that they were cut, right?
Yeah, if you look at the top.
So they were cut, and the guy just wanted it slammed, and that's a huge no-no. But yeah, but the brakes don't look too bad. They're just a little rusty, but yeah, you can see where it's been rubbing. You could probably put some undercoat or something, you know, like right here, or protect it from rust. Because I know my CRX was rusting from right there.
Really?
Because the previous people were all stanced out.
Yeah.
And if you leave it like that, it'll take its toll. But yeah, so we're gonna knock this off, get the coilover on. Yeah, have it on the highest setting.
So I wanted to put the coils on. I was like, before I drive it or take it anywhere.
Yeah, just make sure it's solid. All right, guys, so you can see right there, it's chopped. And we don't know how they were driving it like this, but out with the old and in with the new, it's gonna be pretty sweet. So I'm gonna max those out all the way high and then slap it on. And this literally took about 8 minutes right here, probably less. Yeah, so let's see how it looks. All right, guys, so we finally got them measured out. I backed this one all the way out, then I went 50% in, and then we just matched it to that one. If it's too low, then we could always you know, just raise it up. If it's too high, lower it. But yeah, and then we're just matching it right there. So it looks pretty good. We're gonna slap it on, and yeah, let's see how it looks. All right, guys, so I just put the fork in right there, and it's a little bit too big right there on the fork, so we have to get those spacers. And yeah, I kind of got bummed because I thought they were different, but it's for different vehicles, so it's all good. See?
And then it has, I don't know what these are for.
And that's it right there.
Same with these.
Oh yeah, I don't know. Oh, maybe the for the rear, to go over like newer Civics, I think. So there's that spacer.
So you probably put
and that
the
goes
spacer inside, and then you put in the.
Yeah, most likely this goes over. So let's see. That's always a siren right here. In the last video there was a siren, now there's a siren.
I know, right?
It's a lot of activity right here. All right, guys, so this is oh wait, let me see all that. You said go that way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a jacket. Okay, there we go. Oh shit.
Well, better than before.
Let me see.
Nice little gap right there.
Maybe a little more up.
A little bit higher. Think so?
I mean, I'm kind of comparing it to my black car.
Yeah.
And I would honestly go about an inch higher. But it's all preference though.
Yeah.
It's up to you. All right, guys, so that's how it looks right there. That's how he likes it. And we're gonna compare it to the other side, because this one was actually tucking tire. It was like right here. So let's see this side. So that right there is pretty slam. So now we're gonna get this side, and we already matched up the coilovers. We're gonna do this one and then the rears, but this one looks pretty low right here, and then the other side's high. Actually, you know what? That side's higher than this.
Right.
This side's slammed. So yeah, so one at a time we're gonna get it. All right, guys, so on the other side, we put the fork on, and then I try to tighten up the bolt, and it was binding up really, really bad. The reason why it was binding up is that when you put it on without this sleeve, this bolt, it's a little bit protruding out, and that goes within this little notch right here, and that prevents it from backing out, you know, if you're on the road or something. So it's like a little safety thing. So since we put this on right there, this doesn't have the little indentation, and so whenever you put this on right there, that bolt can't go anywhere. So it's just digging into this aluminum, and it's making it seem like you're cross threading and everything, but there's just no indentation for this bolt to pass through right there. So it's a little bit of a headache, and you think you're messing it up, but you're not. Oh yeah, so just a little information for anybody that's doing this. It's kind of annoying. They could have taken out a little bit of material, but it's all right. All right, guys, so we threw everything on, and the fork, the thread in the back is actually stripped because we try to put that bolt and it's stripped out from that sleeve that's in there because there's no indentation, and it's a long story short, it's screwed up. So we just put it as far as possible, and it's on there, but we got to just put a nut and bolt and notch out that sleeve from the max speeding rods. That it wasn't done from factory. So yeah, so max speeding rods, it effed us again. Well, effed me again, because I already failed big time on the RSX, and these are max speeding rods again, and they didn't really go on that nice. But yeah, so we're gonna lower the car, adjust it, and put on the rears. All right, guys, so that's how it looks right there. We still got to put the e-brake, but it looks pretty dang nice. When the rear is up, it's gonna look even and pretty clean overall, but it looks way much more presentable and not all slammed on the ground. There's a nice wheel gap. But yeah, so let's do the e-brake.
Oh, yeah.
And then let's see if it goes down, because I know the other side it looked nice, but he took the e-brake off to move it to this spot, and it went down, so we got to readjust. Yeah, it went down a little bit, but it's fine. That's sweet. All right, guys, so we already got it off the wheel, and as you can see, everything's just pretty much binding up, and that's bad up there. Look at this right here. Did you see that?
Nah, man.
That's crazy. So we're
telling
gonna get a 14 right here, 2 14s above, and all this is gonna be junked, and then we're gonna get the fresh coilover here.
Oh, maybe that's why this one is lower than the other side.
You're completely right.
Because of the spring.
This one was completely slammed, and that's why, because of this. And then the other side's a little bit more up. But yeah, so we're gonna pull it off, and we'll see how. This is gonna be way much quicker though, so yeah, we'll see how it looks. Put some music over there or something. Okay. Perfect. All right. Oh yeah, that's where those shims need to be at.
The what?
Remember those shims?
Oh, you're right. This is not the... Yeah, you're right.
All right, guys, so I got it put in right there. We had to put those washers because these are made for the Integra, and the Civics are smaller back here, so they give you one shim here, one shim here, but everything's looking pretty good. Way more solid and way better than this right here. And that's the muffler that it came with, but he said it was pretty loud, the previous owner, but I don't see how it could be loud enough where he's gonna take that off but enjoy not having one at all. So we're gonna get the spring bolts, put it back on. It already has the hangers and everything on it, so yeah. But it's looking pretty good. Just imagine with the rear disc conversion, look nice. Perfect.
Much better, huh?
Yeah, I really, really like that. I mean, I don't know if you like it like that, or
yeah, it's clean.
it's better, huh?
Yeah. I don't. As long as it has a little gap, you know.
Yeah.
I don't want it to be too slammed.
All slammed or all high.
I'll put the brake down, see if it goes down more.
Okay. And this is about how I had the Integra too.
Right.
You know, it's not like super aggressive.
Yeah.
It didn't even move.
Huh?
No, it's good. All right, guys, so we put the rear one on now. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's pretty good. That looks way better than before. No. Little bit. Yeah, about a ½ inch. Still looks pretty good.
Yep.
All right, guys, so that's gonna be a little video for today. We finally got all the coilovers on. You know, little things like this are not matching up, but that's gonna, you know, distract you from how it looks, but it looks way better. It's not all slammed. It's not all slammed and everything, but definitely looks better. Here's this side. Looks super clean. Way better. Nice wheel gap. All right, guys, so we're gonna take a quick cruise and see how it feels. Oh shit. Oh, clutch. You thought it was an auto or something?
I was tripping out for a second, man. I was like, wow.
Dead battery or something.
Right? I was like, wait, what? What's going on? I remembered, the clutch.
Shit.
That's crazy. See, I've been in an auto too long.
Yeah.
I be forgetting, and then when I'm on this one, I go. Well, it feels more up. It's not.
Yeah.
It's not too slammed.
I could tell it's up already.
Right?
Like I've never even driven it before, but it feels good, you know? Probably for like a block, you could probably take it easy since it's cold. You see, yeah, it's not even registering. Yeah, it feels like it has power.
Right?
Yeah. Let's see if it scrapes. Oh yeah, right now. Oh no.
I be forgetting that I'm in a regular car.
Yeah.
Cause you know I'm driving semis now, so I like take my time now every time.
Yeah.
And I forget, and I'm like, fuck, I could have taken it.
Because those are way bulky.
Yeah, and then they're longer too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go down this way.
Yeah. Okay.
I can squeeze in.
Little scrape, nothing bad. It feels solid though.
Right?
Let's see this corner. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good, yeah. Try like a first gear pull.
Yeah.
Let's see.
There's like a... It curves right here, but there's like a little long stretch.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Right?
Yeah, it does pull. I bet it's finally getting its, see? Yeah. And it's no muffler, huh?
Yeah.
It's quiet for no muffler. Let me see. Go. Yeah, you can kind of tell. It's like... Yeah. So I'm going to say on a scale 1 through 10 for it being the price.
And the high mileage and everything?
No, the coilovers.
Oh, the coilovers?
And the ride.
Yeah.
I'm going to give it a solid 7 out of 10.
Right?
7 or 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, not bad at all. Pretty impressed.
For the ride.
Yeah. I definitely got to see what's up with the DA.
Yeah.
And getting some of these
Right.
for the DA. Because the DA is just garbage right now.
Is it?
Yeah, like the lowering springs. Yeah, it's not good. I wasted money on that.
Man.
All right, guys.
Ride's fine now.
Yeah.
I like the way she rides.
It's so good now. All right, guys. So that's going to be a little video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment. If you want to see more, smash the like and let me know.